Hey, what's up, guys? Yaur Khan back again. So, just to give you an update, this is I think so day 4. So, I didn't make money on 5th and 6th, and someone told me to click over here as well. So, if I click over here, currently I'm promoting tonic. Okay, so flat belly tonic. So that's it, guys. Currently a lot of people message me asking my course and everything. So guys, I want to be really consistent. I'm not getting sales consistently, but I'm in a positive ROI, which means I am in profit, but I'm just checking everything because I think so if you check over here 5 and 6, I did spend around almost around $150. So didn't get any sales, but on the 7th day got sale, but I didn't spend any money over there. Even this is Digi Store, so again it's like Clickbank. I made around today I made around $185. So just trying to learn new things and testing a lot. So if you could see, I don't know, so I'm just in the learning phase right now, guys. I really want to help you guys, but I want to be completely honest. I see other people, I see a lot of YouTube videos, other gurus. I bought a lot of course as well, but you know, they're not just teaching exact to the point. I want someone like, you know, for me, if I create a course, I'd be like, you know, this is it, you need to do this and you're gonna make money. Because for me it's a lot of trial and error, and for sure it's gonna be a lot, but just learning through it. So today I made 100 and around to $185 on Digi Store. I just refresh. So yeah, this is it. So this is the total amount I made, so don't worry about this. But today I'm at 185. Today I made around $200 yesterday. Okay, so again, learning through a lot of updates. My Google Ads account got banned, my Facebook account got banned, because for me, again, just following through YouTube, again there are a lot of new changes in the Facebook ad policies and everything. So again, just right now doing Bing ads, Microsoft Bing ads, just testing over there, and then slowly and steadily a lot of things are gonna come. I'm just gonna share right now how everything's going, and then, you know, hopefully when I feel I'm comfortable teaching you all guys, I could do it, and it's good money, guys. So just to give you an example, almost I spent around $350 or $400, but I made around 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means $400 profit, around almost $400 profit I made. So it's a good amount of money. And that's it, guys. I know a lot of you people, you know, you want to earn money, but you don't know how to do it. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Just a little patience, and that's it, guys. I hope to see you soon.